Been my own. What is up, guys? This is your boy Johnny here, and welcome to another video. It's been a month since I actually posted a real video, man, but I'm just here to talk about life. I'm here to talk about life, guys, and I'm actually going to switch my channel into making more videos that are more applicable to real life, and I want to give you guys more motivation and more life advice, and that's where my channel is headed toward as of right now. But before I talk about the title of this video and what this video is about, I want to start off with this little motivational life advice that I randomly found on a SoundCloud playlist. You know, I randomly found this. So we go over to my phone here, and let me just read it out loud to you guys. So it says, sometimes you want to give up, but don't. There's so much waiting for you. Just remember, life isn't always fair. It never was. But keep trying. Don't let the negativity get to you. You are amazing. Don't ever let someone take your dreams away from you. Never give up. You are so loved. Life isn't always cupcakes and rainbows. Life gets hard sometimes, but you have to keep going. You're gonna meet people that come and go. I've been there, but you have to move on. I hope this message made your day, and I love you. It's crazy that I came across this life advice randomly, and it legit is so true, and whoever wrote this is a very wise and caring person, so shout out to you. But don't look back, it ain't the past no more. If you guys don't know, it's a Juice WRLD lyric from a song called Empty. I think it's a lyric that is really helpful for you guys, especially if the past is bugging you. This video is mainly just an interlude for the vlogs that I tried to post like 2 months ago, but I stopped posting them because I'm not gonna lie, guys, life here is just crazy. It's very fun, don't get me wrong, it's very fun, but at the same time it's very stressful, and life is just a roller coaster here, man, which I am thankful for, but at the same time it's difficult. What I really just think about these past 3 months and what's been going on, no, wait, I just realized something. Everything went wrong right after I messed with that random girl at that party. She might have put some demons on me. The reason why I want to post these vlogs is because I want you guys to analyze my actions and realize that everything I'm doing is not the right thing I'm doing. Like, what I'm doing can be right at some times, but also wrong at some times. So I kind of want to just start this new series, this new vlog series, just to show like the journey, how it is living in the city. I just want to show that journey. I don't know, I just feel like in my soul I just want to document that. I don't know why, I don't know exactly why, but it's just some kind of desire that I have to document my journey here. And really, I'm really just trying to learn from whatever mistakes I make and grow from that. So that's why I want to post these. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go back to the title of this video. Don't look back, it ain't the past no more. It really is true, man. And whatever bad it is that you guys are going through, and whether that be anxiety, depression, or just straight up stress, I don't know, some kind of traumatic experiences. Personally, for me, I've definitely had like my own downfalls and my own times when I feel, when I just feel down, I feel low, I feel lonely, I feel depressed. And it's actually during these months that it's crazy, because at the same time, these 3 months were the most fun months of my life. At the same time, though, they were also the most depressing months of my life. So it's crazy. It's just crazy how life is balanced, man. Okay, back to what I was saying about don't look back in the past no more. Every one of you guys watching this right now, I just want to let you know that you are not alone. For those of you guys who are watching right now, I don't know if you believe in God or not, but in times that you're alone, in times when you feel sad, depressed, stressed, whatever negativity that you may be feeling, just know that you aren't alone. And don't let the past, don't stop trying to hold on to the past, all those negative thoughts, those negative actions. Like, think about how you yourself went wrong in that situation, and think about whatever bad it is you experienced in the past, how you can build from that. And yeah, just know that you're not alone, and don't look back. It's not the past no more. When it comes to the future of my channel, I'm very excited about what's gonna come. I'm definitely going to be posting vlogs. And also, okay, if you guys saw the beginning of the video, that kind of symbolizes where my channel is heading on. And as this title says, don't look back in the past no more. Some things are going to change, man. Some things are going to end when it comes to this channel. I don't want to say it explicitly because this has been a big part of my life, man. But I think I'm at a point in my life where that needs to end. You know, I think it needs to end now. Okay, I'm just going to say it here. I'm quitting Minecraft. And the reason why I'm quitting Minecraft is because I realized that the reason why I've loved Minecraft so much is not because of the game itself, but because the game kind of made me realize like what I truly wanted, what I truly desired. And that's I loved the adventures, how Minecraft is such an adventurous game. Yeah, I just love how much freedom there is in Minecraft and adventure. But now I realize that, look, there's even more freedom and adventure in real life. So that's the reason why I want to make videos instead. I want to make vlogs, like real life experiences. And I don't know, let's all go on this journey together, guys. You guys are all here with me. I'm with you guys. We can all help each other out. And really just, from now on, I want to make videos that really help all of us out, man. Help all of us to succeed, to grow, to really find the truth of life. If you know what I mean. But yeah, that's it, man. I look forward to the future, man. It's 2022. May this year be our best year. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, guys. This is the longest, I think this is the longest like freestyling talk I've ever made on YouTube, out of these 600 videos I made on YouTube. So yeah, this is crazy. This is a new thing too. I love trying new things, man. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this talk. And yeah, my name is Johnny. Intro never gonna change though. My name is Johnny, and thank you for watching. Those days I felt like I had loaded ammo. From the bar to city, I'm moving. My whole life is changing. Living in the south in danger, friendly with gangsters, call us criminal strangers. Now all life